And we're back to learn JavaScript. Let me show you a for off loop. It works the same way in principle as the for in loop, but it is used if you don't want to turn your values into strings. So let me give you an example with an array of numbers. 20, 30 and 40, this would sum up to 90. We want to store that in a variable called sum. I'll set it to 0 for now. Now we use a for in loop. And here we simply want to sum up these values. So I use sum plus equals values. And here we'll define let our values in our array ARR. And then I print out the sum using document.write. And I've got a typo right here, so it's not value, it's values. So let values in ARR, I've forgotten the S. But we don't get 90, we get 0012. And why is that? Well, it's because the for in loop turns these values into strings. So in our first iteration, the sum is 0, because we've initialized it right here with the value of 0. So this is the start of the for in loop. Then in the second round, we have 0 and then a 0 from the ARR, which is the index of 20. Third iteration, we get 0, 0, 1. 1 would be the index of 30. And in the final iteration, it will be 0, 0, 1, 2. 2 simply being the index of 40. And if you don't want to have that, when you deal with numbers, you most certainly don't want to have that, you have to use a for off loop. And this works the same way, so we don't have to change that much. We simply change the keyword in to the keyword off. And if I save and refresh now, we'll get 90. And there you go. So for off loops simply keep the values as numbers in this example, and the for in loop, it turns it into a string. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.